Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today in this video, I will be sharing my new kitchen gadget which I have bought, and also I will share my own personal review, and I will be sharing the recipe for Muslim style mutton biryani. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Now let's get started. Morning quickly I packed lunch for my kids. With leftover rice from previous day, I prepared lemon rice along with some veggies, a little healthier version of lemon rice I would say, and served it with little bit of chips and one piece of brownie. That's it. Wanted to prepare biryani very quickly early in the morning because I'm going to share this biryani with our family friends who are coming back from their long vacation from India. Biryani is the most comforting food which can be always relished at any time. So I thought soon we will prepare so that when they come back they will be in jet lag. Any time they can have it. They can either have food and sleep, or they can sleep and get up and have. So quickly I thought early morning itself I will prepare and will send it as brunch time itself. For preparing this only, I just kept everything very simple for sending to school and giving breakfast in the morning for kids. And after that, immediately 8:30 I started my work, and quickly I finished it before 11 o'clock itself. Once kids were gone, I just started doing my work preparing biryani. First we need is marinating the mutton and whole lot of onions to be chopped. If you have a chopper or a food processor like how I have, that job is very easy and quick. You can see 2 to 3 large onions I have shredded, that is long lengthwise I have cut and kept. Marinated the mutton with yogurt and salt, and in one large pot I have just taken little bit of oil, not little bit, enough oil, and whole lot of whole spices and all the onions I have chopped. Now this is very important step. All the onions should be nice dark brown. Then only the biryani will be very tasty. Every time I make biryani, I share this tip. Biryani is great only when the onions are fried well. I am going to prepare 5 glass of rice today. For that reason, I have taken 5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and that paste should be nicely fried until the raw smell is gone. To that I have added chili powder, that is 2 tablespoons, and 2 large tomatoes, fresh mint from my garden, and salt to taste. Nicely fry it. The mutton I marinated was the vessel of Instapot itself. So I will be cooking this mutton in Instapot. So I will take that masala which I prepared. I will mix it in this mutton, give it a nice good mix, and keep it in Instapot. I will cook it for only 8 to 9 minutes. That's it. Our mutton will be well done, and this is the rice. I nicely washed and soaked it in water. For 5 glass of rice, we should take 10 glass, but I took only 7 glass of water, salt to taste, shahi zeera, and little bit of oil. Now I will be cooking it, and until then I am going to also add some potatoes in my biryani. This is the new gadget I was talking all about. It is my new air fryer, Gourmet brand, which I bought it from Costco. It was having a very good deal this month. This air fryer has made lot of my job so easy. Even these potatoes, I have put it in bake mode. I will bake it and add it in biryani at the end while dum. Now you can see 75% of the rice is almost done, and this mutton gravy is also ready. This pot was almost full and it was not enough, but still I managed to cook in this itself. First I thought I will change the pot, but after a little while it just got absorbed and it was perfectly fitting fine. Nicely give it a good mix. Only the problem is till the water gets absorbed by the rice. By the time I just checked the salt, added the lemon juice, the store-bought lemon juice itself I added. Now I also will be adding little bit of color because I am sharing this food with my friends. I thought the color can be a little bit better. Otherwise at home I don't add it. I just added little bit of garam masala, coriander leaves and green chilies. Nicely give it a good mix upside down, and now I will be adding ghee. 3 tablespoons of ghee because in the beginning only oil I took for frying. Now I will be adding the ghee. At the same time I also added the baked potatoes from my air fryer. Nicely press it inside. If it is not cooked little bit, that also will be done in this dum itself. These potatoes will become more soft. Now I have left the biryani for dum for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we will be air frying the chicken drumstick which I have marinated previous day night itself. On this LED panel itself, there were given options for either broil, roast or for grilling or for baking. There are many options even for dry fry, air fry and all. There are many options in this. In that I chose to do it with. I also prepared kheer, that is rice kheer, chawal ki kheer they say, and this is the chicken roast I prepared and the raita. Only these 3 extra I made other than biryani. This biryani recipe multiple times I have shared on my channel. Muslim style mutton biryani. It's the ultimate biryani. You will never fail if you follow each and every step. Every time I keep telling how you can end up making same type of tasty delicious biryani. Sure, check. Even I will leave the link in the description box. Every time I just share as Muslim mutton biryani, sure go and check on my channel. Whoever have tried it, sure leave the comment also. How did you feel about it? Always for having a ultimate taste in the biryani, the mutton or chicken should be extra. And frying process should be taking a little longer than usual, and never overcook the rice. If you follow these 3 steps, you will always end up making the perfect Muslim style mutton biryani or chicken biryani. We regularly go for evening walk. While we go for evening walk, daily I will be seeing the sky will be very beautiful. Every day you can see the sky this beautiful like how I am showing today. Keep watching for my next video in which I will be sharing fall colors, which is a very fun filled and very beautiful video as well. Hope you all found this video useful and informative. If you like to see more air fryer recipes, do sure leave a comment. I will post more of air fryer recipes too. If you like my videos, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.